In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through the plate pinch exercise, a fantastic exercise for working the muscles of your forearms, as well as improving your grip and hand strength. So firstly, all you need for this is a plate, so the plate that you're going to be gripping onto and pinching onto. One side of the plate, you're going to have your fingers round. The other side of the plate, you're going to have your thumb round, and you're going to be pincer grip, pinching into the plate. Something I'd recommend on this exercise is actually setting up whatever weight plate you're using on a bench. And what we can do with this startup is I can place my hands around the top of the weight, pincer grip in, and from there make sure I've got a nice grip to then stand upright and hold for my desired amount of seconds and sets. Of course, whatever seconds that I do on one side, I'm trying to replicate on the other. So if you've got one side that is stronger than the other, I'd always start off with the weaker side rather than further facilitating any grip imbalances. Once you're done, you can just bend your knees and pop the weight down onto the bench that you're using. Now, if you want to make it a little bit harder without increasing the weight, what you can do, let's say for example you was using a 10 kilogram, you can put two fives together. That's going to mean when you're doing your pincer grip, it's going to be wider to grip onto, meaning it's going to be harder, and that way you're going to be further working your pincer grip as you're doing your plate pinch. So you're going to be working a wider grip, it's going to be a little bit harder. Those with larger hands are probably going to be able to do that a lot better than those with smaller hands. So if you are somebody that's got maybe narrow plates, you can always decrease half the weight and put two of smaller weights together to try and get a really nice grip and a pinch press on the weight. That is how to do the pinch press plate exercise, and you would hold that for your desired amount of sets and seconds on both sides, starting off with your weaker side first.